Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Andini Dwi Putri Sulistyo and my partner,
Dian Alifah Ansyah.
we would like to present our English assignment about three context and procedure text.
Context. The context is a text that telling the reader about a story, action, or activity. Its purpose is to entertain or inform the readers about event or experience in the past. Next structure of the context. First, orientation. It gives the reader the background information needed to understand the text, such as who was involved, where it happened, and when it happened. Second, series event. A series of events ordered in a chronological sequence. Third, reorientation. A personal comment about the event or what happened in the end. Grammatical feature of the context. First, past tense is dominantly used. Second, material or action verb is dominantly used. Third, temporal conjunction is dominantly used.
Here is the example of free context. Became a new student at State Polytechnic of Jakarta. In 2019, I became a new student at State Polytechnic of Jakarta, specifically graphic engineering major. As a new student, I had to follow the campus orientation which attended PKKP. Is an introduce for the student to know the campus. The first event was PKKP in State Polytechnic of Jakarta, which held in August 19 until August 21st, 2019. This PKKP starts from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. It was uncommon, which the event lasts longer way far from I have expected. So it made me go home at night. It was tiring because you had to do these activities for 3 days. I had to sit in the field from dawn to dusk, even more how hot it was. Even though it was tiring, I still felt happy because I made new fun friends. My friends' presence made me forget the fatigue I have felt. Next, the second event was the introduction of new students at Rindam Jaya for 3 days and 2 nights. This event took place exactly one day after the PKKP at State Polytechnic of Jakarta. We were required to arrive at Rindam Jaya at 5 a.m., but I woke up at 6 a.m. Panic and sad mixed together, but my mother still convinced me to go there instead of repeat this event next year. Finally, I went to Rindam Jaya and arrived at 7 a.m. I have been the spotlight of the day. It was so embarrassed to have all eyes on me. Then, the third event was the orientation of the campus department. In this event, the new students were told to make a database book containing biographies and signatures from classmates and seniors. It was fun activity when we asked for biographies from class to class, which made me get to know my new friends as well as get to know the seniors. I will never forget all of these new orientation events because they gave special impression for me. Start from living with friends, crying because of the fatigues we have felt, and experiencing embarrassed moment. The analysis from the text before, the generic structure, first orientation, state in paragraph 1 because there is an information about the story. Who did the campus orientation was me, where happened at State Polytechnic of Jakarta in 2019. Second, series event. State in paragraph 2, 3, and 4. Start from I attend the first orientation in my campus on August 19 until August 21st, 2019, which start at 6 a.m. until 5 p.m. The next event, I did the second orientation in Rindam Jaya for 3 days and 2 nights. Then the last orientation I did was for campus department. Third, reorientation. State in last paragraph that I will never forget all of those new orientation events because the campus orientation gave special impression for me. And for grammatical feature of free context, first, using past tense. The example, in 2019, I became a new student at State Polytechnic of Jakarta. And then it was uncommon which the event last longer way far from I have expected. So it made me go home at night. and then panic and sad mixed together, but my mother still convinced me to go there instead of repeat this event next year. And last, in this event, the new students were told to make a database book containing biographies and signatures from classmates and seniors. Second, using material or action verb. There is attend, follow, go, arrive, and sit. Third, using temporal conjunction. There is as, finally, next, and then.
Procedural text. Procedural text is used to describe mechanism or procedure in doing something structural. In rattling the procedure, it must be well ordered. The states of the genre must be structured throughout time. The participant must follow the steps unless the goal is not reached. Conduct structure of procedural text. First, goal. State in the title to show the purpose of the text. Second, ingredients or material and tool, including ingredients or material and tool need in the process. Third, steps. Content ways, methods, or steps taken to achieve the goal in the text. Language feature of procedural text. First, simple present tense is dominantly used. Second, action or material verb dominantly used. Third, imperative clause is dominant. Fourth, mostly using passive voice. Fifth, participant, example reader or hearer, lawyer is not mentioned. Sixth, some using temporal conjunction. How to make mango juice? Ingredients: a mango, ice cubes, one cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And tool: this is blender, glass, sieve, and knife. And this is the steps. First, wash the mango, and then peel it with knife and cut it into small pieces and put them in the blender with ice cube, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cup of water, and blend it. And when it is smooth enough, strain the juice using a sieve before pour in pour it into a glass. Now your mango juice is ready to drink.
Here is the analysis from the text before. The generic structure, first goal, state in the title, that is how to make mango juice, to the reader. Second, ingredients or material and tools. There is 4 ingredients and 4 tools needed in the process. Third, steps. There is 6 steps to make mango juice. The linguistic feature of the text before, first using simple present. There is wash the mango and then peel it, and then cut it into small pieces, and then now your mango juice is ready to drink. Second, using material or action verb. There is wash, peel, cut, pour, and drink. Third, using temporal conjunction. There is then and now. Four, using imperative clause. There is cut it into small pieces and then blend it. Fifth, participants. Reader or hearer there is not mentioned.
Okay, that's all from us. We hope that your presentation will be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.